Okay guys, let's now download and install Oracle Virtual Machine. Indeed, Oracle Virtual Box. Let's go to Google, just type in VirtualBox. You can find it at virtualbox.org. In the main page, we have two options. You can either click in the center of the window, the download VirtualBox button, or to the left, whatever you choose. In this case, let's just click the download VirtualBox button in the center of the page. In the download page, we can have some options like some different packages. In our case, let's choose Windows host. We're gonna download our Windows host. You can see it downloading here. Once it is finished, just click it, and let's see, the installation is coming. Okay, welcome to the Oracle Virtual Machine VirtualBox Setup Wizard. Just click Next, and here it's gonna suggest a place where you can put the installation. If you don't have any special reason, just leave it as it is and click Next. Here are some other options like creating start menus, shortcut in the desktop, quick launch, and register file association. Just leave the default. And in our case, and once we click next, we're gonna see, let's see, good. Let's see, click next. Network interfaces warning, that's okay, just say yes. So now start installing. And do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? Say yes, for sure. It is installing now. Would you like to install this device software? It may, depending on your system, require some further installation. In this case, it is an Oracle installation. Just say install. We trust it. We trust Oracle, right? So in this case, just say install. As we can see, the desktop icon has been created. Installation is now complete. Oracle Virtual Machine is now complete. All we can do, just click finish, and yes, the virtual box is now installed in our machine.